Hey guys, what's up? It's been a very long time that we have interacted, we have talked. There is any video since 3 weeks, I guess, and that was because of the online lectures or because of the graduation, university exams, and all kind of stuff. Plus the shifting of my house that was being uploaded in my Instagram. Definitely, if you would be following me, then definitely you will be getting to know that it was a kind of occasion because it was with the best feeling. So yes, the special vlog, the reason for this special vlog or the first vlog we can say is it's my dad's birthday. Yes, it's today is 10/10 and 2020. That is my dad's birthday. He is turning 50 plus but. So yes, today's vlog will be something very much emotional wala vlog. Yes, because it will be a surprise for my dad. So basically, in our birthdays, we definitely feel somebody must give us, a good surprise, unique one, like जागते ही, फूलों की बरसात हो या फिर, some balloons must be there, some flowers must be there, but we don't get as such. I haven't get. So, but the best thing is to give return to all those people who have loved us, unconditionally, and one of the person is dad, definitely. So yes, he has sacrificed a lot, and they mostly don't celebrate their birthdays. They don't mostly get involved in these all stuff. Especially my dad, I can say, South Indian dads. So yes, so today the thing will be everything will be captured in this camera, and yeah. So currently I am holding my tripod, which was very much excited when I bought it because yes, something I've invested in a big stuff, but ये lightweight नहीं है. So if ever somebody will say you that it's good for vlogging, you can hold it. No, you can't hold it for many minutes, we can say, because थक जाओगे bhai, really. So yes, today's vlog will be something that you will be loving it, and also me. So yes guys, I just want you guys to comment down your views. How was the surprise to my dad, or what about the vlog that you think continue kare ya stop kar de? So basically I would be continuing. I would be making more vlogs based on the lifestyle, based on the daily vlogs, we can say, if at all is being demanded. So just let's go. So the very first thing I will be doing is cleaning up the whole bedroom because यहीं पे सब कुछ set होने वाला है, like कहीं और पे लगने वाला है. But yes, preparation सिर्फ यहीं पे होगा because everything needs to be a little bit surprise, so it will be inside only this room. So yes, come on, let's do it together. चलो. Literally beautiful. हमने रूम तो साफ कर लिया, but अब और mess बाकी है because the few stuff has been uploaded on the bed. Definitely this is very much required because खाते खाते काम करने में कुछ अलग ही मजा है. And these are the stuff that needs to be pumped up, and glue, birthday stickers, and few birthday surprises. Like, let's do it together. And here we are done with the decoration. Like, it's just awesome. Like, just look at it. Like the first time I have done, or we have done, we can say, the creativity level as. So comment में ज़रूर बताना how it was, but I'm feeling that it's awesome. It's awesome at the first level because we all expect something, and this is very much good. Mostly this beer bottle, we can say, we can definitely relate to the emotions we have, but that seems very much awesome. That's how we ended the celebration, and it was fun, it was surprising, and according to me it was as expected, the way which we had expected, the designs and the surprise and the expressions of happiness, definitely. So I just want you guys to just let us know that how did you find this vlog, how did you find the surprise. Giving someone happiness is very much good, and this was something first time we ever did in such a big area we got. So yeah, quite happy that what we thought we achieved, definitely, and all the hard works came into the line. And drop down your comments, how did you find this vlog, and yes, do share it and do try giving happiness to people, to your loved ones, and keep commenting, keep subscribing, and lots of love. Bye bye.